with the prophets residing in heaven, does that mean they don't have a life in the grave?
They do have a life in the grave. Barzakh life is not known. So you mean the prophets they're alive, and we are the believers, and the believers and the disbelievers are alive. All of them are alive. But this is Barzakh life. But life is different from life. So the life of the good people and the righteous people is similar to the life of the prophets. But the prophets, okay, they have a special thing, which is that their bodies will not be decayed. It will not, Allah Azza wa Jalla made it prohibited on the earth to take to dissolve the body and the flesh of the prophets. Now, and maybe some of the martyrs will have this. Some of the martyrs, Allah will honor them with this. Like, for example, Abdullah ibn Haram, the father of Jabir. 6 months in the Saudi Arabian land. 6 months, and after he dug him out, nothing was missing except for a bit of his ears. Fresh body. That's an honor from Allah to him. Na'am, karama.
So, and the part of this question is, the prophets, the Prophet ﷺ met in the heavens when in night journey. Do they have a Barzakh life or don't they have a Barzakh life? Because
this is what he had seen is a soul and a different body that looks like the body of the Prophet. Their bodies are still on the earth. So when he met Musa alayhi salam, Musa salam is dead in the earth. But he met his soul, which is in another body. Allah gave the body, just like he had led them in the prayer in Bayt al-Maqdis before he ascended the heavens. He led them in the prayer, and at the same time he met them in the heavens. He led them in the prayer before he went up.